Well, I am going to watch some TV. Hopefully there is something good for me to watch.
This is Simon Upchurch with some breaking news. Today, the fat purple cat who caused trouble in Young City has escaped from Guantanamo Bay prison. We're not entirely sure how he managed to do that, but he did get grounded by nature cat after coming back to his house. More of the story about Ronald's escape as it develops.
What? I cannot believe that nature cat grounded my boyfriend. Ronald deserves better than that. How am I going to get my revenge on nature cat for this? I have an idea. I will make a grounded video out of nature cat. Ha 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 ha. Well, now that I have got an aunt, I will make the grounded video out of nature cat. Ha 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 ha. Yes. The video is finished. Now, I'll preview it before I download it and upload it to YouTube.
Nature cat, how dare you go on a nature adventure with your friends? That's it. You are grounded for 7,842,879,342 years.
Go to your room right now and think about what you have done. I made the video, and now, I'll upload it to YouTube. I uploaded the video to YouTube, and now, I'll celebrate.
Miley, is this true? Did you make a grounded video out of nature cat?
Okay, yes. I did make the grounded video out of nature cat.
Oh my god. Miley, I cannot believe you did that to one of my friends. You are grounded for 777,132 years. Get in bed and go to sleep right now.